Today we have a couple of 1972 pickups in the shop. This is a 1972 GMC. We just finished the restoration on it. It was a complete project that took several years, but we're finally ready for delivery. And then over here we've got a 72 Chevy C10 pickup that we've done a lot of work on as well. I'm putting in carpet, stereo, amplifiers, and some other things on this truck. We did the engine compartment on this, front end grill work, paint, under hood. Basically our engine compartment restoration. And this took about 4 months to strip down to the block, the engine block, and then from there we added all the components and parts, either restored or new, and got this truck back to the customer. He's been driving it for about 6 months now, and you can see it holds up very well. The paint is very durable. All you got to do is just kind of every couple of car washes, just get under the hood with a damp towel and wipe everything down, get off any of the oils and road grime, dust. This 72 pickup, I put a steering wheel on it, did a dash pad, painted the dash top black, and the customer now opted for the black carpet to be added. And as I said before, I'm going to be upgrading the stereo system and putting some more speakers in it to get a little bit better sound out of it. Underneath the carpet, we laid out some sound deadener and heat sheets, and these basically keep the heat from the exhaust mufflers and the sounds from the road from getting inside of the cabin. It quietens things down quite a bit. We're going to be putting a digital dash cluster in this. It's getting a Dakota upgrade on there, and it'll look like this 72 GMC over here. Let me show you what this dash looks like. It's already received the upgrade digital dash. When you hook up all the sensors on it, you'll get readings from the engine on oil pressure, voltage, temperature, your RPMs, and things like that. Like I said, this truck is getting ready to ship out, so we're getting all the final customer paint, touch-up paint, owner's manuals and things like that. Warranty information all goes into the binder for the customer. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Chevy pickup. When he saw this, he wanted the same color combination with the black engine and the ceramic silver headers, the aluminum intake with a new carburetor on it. It's got the new 600 CFM carburetor up underneath the air cleaner. Has the same air conditioning setups that we put in all of our vehicles. Gives a nice cold air system and heat and defrost. It's got the aluminum cooling radiator with dual fans on it, computer controlled. Radiator overflow tank is right here. You got some amplifiers, some computer modules over there for the fans and for the stereo. It's been upgraded with 4-way disc brakes. So we added the appropriate booster and master cylinder for that setup. High voltage alternator. It's at 18-inch wheels. Some Nito tires. And we staggered them, making them a lot wider on the back. And on the front, custom exhaust, 3-inch pipe. New fuel system, new fuel tank. Rear end has been completely redone. Was the Positrack rear end. It's got a Rhino bed liner that was sprayed last week. All the chrome has been replaced on the exterior or blacked out, just depending on what we could make work. This front grille, it's all been epoxied, and we put LED halo lighting into that as well. It's got new front and rear bumpers with black bumper bolts.